guys, you're at Cradley, Heath, the double crossing in West Midlands as well. But it is not, the county name's not Greater Birmingham, but I know it does, for me it does make more sense if you called it Greater Birmingham, but it isn't actually called Greater Birmingham. Yeah, the last video I mentioned this site's got a board on clipped onto it, like as if it's just like as if it was a halogen light, but an LED. It's just like the old lights, but basically an LED version. You see, there's like three screws here, another one there, and if you're there, and there's some at the top as well. And on this set of lights, this light here, there's no screws on this at all, apart from like down that bit and that bit. It's rather strange. That's rather rare to see, actually. I've actually never seen anything like that before. This light used to be slanted to the side like that way, but now it's in the but it's not slanted anymore. If any of you think that alarm's been replaced when it's got LEDs, it hasn't actually. That one stayed. Same at Langley Green, that one alarm stayed there as well. Because that one's a lot like bright. That one's a lot brighter. That one's been there for another year. There's a bit of dirt on this set of light, like here. I just mentioned Severn Valley Railway here. It's still pretty loud, but it wasn't as loud as the old one. Oh, that sounded a bit dirty, this barrier. The skirt's a little bit like bent in slightly, but it doesn't necessarily matter as long as the plastic bits aren't bent. I'm gonna chop a few trees down that bit, I think. Anyway, here she is. 1, 2, 3, 40. Some 2, 3, 40 to Worcester Shrub Hill. She always double stays this one. All the time. Every time she goes down, she always stays for 2. I think she goes down every... I'm not sure. Probably... I don't know if Hampton Park goes down a lot more often than this one. I don't know. I'm not quite sure. I don't know why I'm staying on this side. Okay, I better mention this to you, Joe. This set of lights we said that had twisted light has now got a board clipped onto it. I don't know why. I'm not quite sure why they clipped that board on. It could have been because of graffiti on the boards, I don't know. It might have been graffiti, I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh, 12344. I think I've seen that one earlier actually. I was going to Stratford upon Avon. And as you can see, that CCTV camera there is a lot bigger than that one. To Stratford. And give a click before they go up.